Hi, guys. Today, we will show you how to do two things. How to play a playlist of your choice through Roblox voice chat. How to set the default audio devices for Roblox. We will start with the playlist tutorial. First, install a virtual cable. We will be using VB Audio Hi-Fi cable. So, first go and download it from the link in the description. Extract the archive. Run the installer executable inside the extracted archive. Tap install and wait a moment. Tap OK and then restart your computer. Since this adds new audio devices, Windows will change your default audio devices, so you probably will want to change them back. Now, we must download the playlist files in this video's description. We will use YTDLP for this, but anything similar will do. Using the method previously taught on this channel, convert the downloaded video to a 7-zip file. Extract this 7-zip file to anywhere on your computer. This is where, as the name suggests, everything for the playlist will be stored. Navigate to the folder named Audio inside the extracted archive. Now, place whatever audio files you want to be on your playlist in here. For this example, we will be playing Neck Hurts by DJ Melon. We must now set the audio device for player.exe in the root of the archive. To do this, first, open a terminal in the root folder and enter player space. Drag and drop any audio file into the terminal, such as one you just placed in the audio folder, and then hit enter. A window should pop up playing that audio. We can now just set the output device as you would with any other app in the Windows volume mixer. Make sure to set its output to the virtual cable, which in our case is Hi-Fi cable input. We can now close settings and hit escape in that audio window to close that as well. Now, go to the root folder, right click on Launch VBS and tap Copy as Path. To make the playlist actually play, we will need to use Blockstrap, so open up Blockstrap settings. On the home page, scroll down to the bottom where you will find Custom Integrations. Click the plus new button to add a new integration and name it whatever you like. Under Application Location, enter WScript. Under Launch Arguments, paste from your clipboard the path which should be there from earlier. Tap the blue Save button in the bottom right of the window and you're done. You can now close all those windows. So, the audio now plays, but that is of no use if no one can hear it. So now, for part 2, how to set the default audio device in Roblox. First, we need to install Sound Volume View if you don't already have it. To do this, open a terminal. Execute the command winget install Sound Volume View. Now, open the newly installed app by entering Sound Volume View and hitting enter. Locate the audio device you want to set in Roblox. In our example from earlier, this is Hi-Fi cable output. Double-click anywhere in the row with your desired audio device. In this new window, locate the command line friendly ID. Copy its contents to your clipboard. We can now close Sound Volume View. Now, open up Blockstrap settings. Again, scroll down to Integrations on the home page and add a new integration. Name it anything you like. We will, for example, name it G. Under Application Location, enter Sound Volume View. Under Launch Arguments, enter the command as follows. Set app default audio device name or Roblox player beta.exe. Replace audio device name with the command line friendly ID you copied earlier. Now, tap the blue Save button to apply these changes and you are done. We can now close all of these windows. Of course, if you want to set input and output devices, just have 2 integrations in Blockstrap, 1 integration for each device. Now, the next time you open Roblox, you will have your desired audio devices enabled and a playlist of your choice blasting through your microphone if you followed the first part of this tutorial. You may be wondering why not just use the audio setting in the Roblox client itself or Windows' volume mixer like we did for the player executable earlier. And while doing this works fine, your audio devices reset back to their defaults upon closing the client or updating the client respectively. Using our method, your audio settings persist always during these circumstances. It's wild that this setting does not exist natively in the client. If at any moment, you want to know what is currently playing, you can open the console window from the taskbar. In this window, listed are the recently played audio tracks in order by time with the current audio at the bottom. Furthermore, if you get banned for an audio, a log file can be found in the voice chat folder. Inside this, you can find the date and time each audio was played. Combined with the time on your ban note, you can identify which audio caused the issue. This log file can be safely deleted at any time. Also, the player executable from earlier is just ffplay. If you wish to update or use your own, just replace the player executable with your own and then rename it to player.exe. Thanks to ffplay's lightweight design, this playlist voice chat method has negligible impact on performance from our experience. That's enough talking for today. We will leave you to recreate the Rupert Gaming Boy experience. Goodbye. Till next time, #Vada forever.